Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen again. Today I'm gonna show you how to make acorn macarons. You will be surprised, I made them without template. Yes, there is no template was used. I filled them with the dark chocolate ganache and homemade caramel in the center. I also decorated with the gluten-free pretzel stick. If you're ready, let's get started. Make caramel and brown macaronache. Prepare baking mat. Caramel macaronache I placed in a piping bag with Wilton coupler. Yes, no piping tip, just Wilton coupler. This is how it looks. We're going to be piping acorn macarons using just coupler. And you see this little open space in a coupler? Just make sure it's going to be bottom of the acorn. And start piping macaron shells like you usually do. Just make sure that you're leaving space between macaron shells for the top part of the acorn. Then, using brown macaronache with Wilton 12, pipe top of the part of acorn, just as you see in this video. And right now macaron shells look a little weird, but after tapping tray a few times, you'll see the acorn shape. Please also note, to make this acorn-shaped macaron shells, I'm using regular lava consistency macaronache. It's not undermixed, it's just regular. After piping macaron shells, place baking mat on a baking tray and tap a few times. And you see the shape of the acorn. Right? No template needed. If you have any air bubbles, remove with a toothpick and let macaron shells to rest. If you're using no rest method, then you can place them straight to oven and bake. Just look at the shells. They look like acorn, and I did not use any template. However, if you want to have template, you can find it on my blog. After baking macaron shells, let them cool and pair them with a similar size. This is how they look. Just look at this fit. And look at this shape. Now it's time to fill them. Place macaron shells on a baking tray or on a table. Place ganache and caramel in separate piping bags. For ganache, I'm using Wilton round tip. Pipe dark chocolate ganache on a flat side of one macaron shell, as you see in the video. I just prefer this piping. And then pipe homemade caramel right in the center of this ganache. You can also use different filling, jam or peanut butter. Then sandwich macaron with another macaron shell and press lightly. Just make sure there is no ganache coming out from the shells. I decorated my acorn macaron with gluten-free pretzel stick. Just insert stick right into ganache. Place filled macarons in airtight container and refrigerate from 12 to 24 hours. Macarons needs to mature before you can enjoy them. I hope you like my acorn macarons. The full recipe you can find on my blog. Please subscribe to my channel. I post new recipe every week. and happy baking!